Hey everybody, it's Logan with Socially Versed. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to write content for your website using AI. So the first thing you're going to have to do is pick an AI model to use or an AI tool to use. The big one obviously is ChatGPT. This is what everybody on the internet and what the craze and the fad is on the internet in the beginning of 2023 is ChatGPT because it's taking the world by storm essentially. Microsoft has now come out with their own, and Google is releasing their own to the public as well. So ChatGPT is one of the options that you can use, but it is not the only option that you can use. You can use the tools such as WriteSonic. So WriteSonic is also an AI generator that has a lot of different prompts that you can come in here and use AI. And there's other tools. I will leave the links to ChatGPT and WriteSonic in the description of this video, just because I know they're popular and they're ones that we use on a daily basis. So I'm going to recommend them to you. So check out the description for those. First, let's get started. So now we have to pick a blog topic. So let's write a blog on how to use AI to write AI blogs. So how to use AI for website content in 2023. So here I'm asking ChatGPT how to use AI for website content in 2023. And what this is essentially going to do is going to go through and it's going to tell us what it thinks on why you should use AI and how you should use it. And the benefit of using AI, if you don't like what the response is given to you, you can essentially just tweak it and ask AI a different question. So once you have gotten this, you're just going to copy and paste it, and then you're going to go over to your blog manager and then essentially paste that in there. Now, a big thing that you can do, an extra step, and this varies. You ask some experts, they say, hey, algorithms can now pick up AI content, and that may hurt your score. Some platforms are going against that, and some say, hey, it doesn't hurt your website rankings to use AI. If you are scared about that or want to test it out, you can use a tool such as Quillbot to paraphrase what ChatGPT or WriteSonic or any AI tool gives you, to paraphrase it and pretty much switch it up so AI content creator detectors cannot pick it up, if that makes sense. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just skip that part for now. I'm going to copy everything we have here and then head over into our blog section. For this example, we are making a blog on our website, which is hosted on the SV website builder, which is an all-in-one drag and drop website building platform. So we're writing this blog here. Now, this isn't very long, so maybe we want to add some more context on maybe this article. So we should say, now going off that, why should people use AI? So at first we started saying how to use AI. And then this is essentially gave us this. Then now we're asking it how and why people should use AI to write content. So now it's going off of this. So now in our blog article, we're not going to only have how to use AI, but we're going to have why you should use AI to write content for your business or brand. And boom. So it's finishing up now. Once it is finished, all we are going to do is come in here, copy and paste again. We're going to copy that. We're going to come back into our blog. We're going to paste. And obviously this is where you can come in and use different styling to maybe spice up your blog. Maybe add some images, maybe add some links, different colors. In this example, what we could do is tools to use is maybe link that. And then just pretty much come in here and then link WriteSonic and link ChatGPT. And essentially that is what we have done to write this blog. Now, if you don't know a title, what we could do is also ask ChatGPT. So give me a title for a blog post about using AI in 2023. So now ChatGPT is essentially going to give me a title for this blog post. And boom, we're there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to copy that and we're going to paste it, and then essentially our article is done. We're going to come in here and add a image for the article. Sorry, let me fix this real quick. All right, now that we've selected our image, we are essentially done with this blog article. So we can pretty much hit update in the SV website builder, and this blog is now live. What I'm going to do is come in here and actually change up a couple things. I'm going to change the URL for the blog post so it is different than last blog post we put out. Sorry, let me copy this right here real quick. Go into settings, going to go post URL. Click update. Now we can click preview, and boom, that is exactly how we just used AI to write a blog article. And you can do the same. Once again, the links to the two tools that I recommend and the one that is taking the internet by storm is ChatGPT, will be in the description of this video. Hope you guys got some value. Let me know what you guys want to see next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.